Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can create a public profile on Snapchat. First, we will quickly check if Snapchat is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone and find Snapchat. If there is an update button, click it. Wait for Snapchat to update and then open it. Once you have opened Snapchat, click on the profile icon in the upper left corner. When the profile is opened, find the Create Public Profile option located at the bottom of the options. In the pop-up window, click Continue and then Get Started. In the new window, click Create to create a public profile. When you have created a profile, click on My Public Profile. Here you can see your public profile. This is a very good option for people who are engaged in some kind of public work or are public figures. On the public profile, people who want to follow you can be subscribed, and you still keep your private profile for your friends. That would be it for this video. Follow us for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.